Hi, it's Grandma Sherry. Welcome back. I'm so happy to see you. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe, like the video, and set the bell to all for notifications. Hey, so I'm here because I am #actually autistic. And I wasn't diagnosed as autistic until I was in my 40s. My 40s. So that means that I had 40 some odd years of just being weird and trying to get along in society and overthinking everything. So we're going to kind of talk about that today. We're going to talk about the autistic thought process and some stuff and what autism is according to the DSM-5 thought process. We'll be right back. It's almost like everybody knows somebody on the spectrum. When they first diagnosed me, I thought they were totally wrong because obviously to me that was a little boy's problem. That didn't happen to grown women in their 40s. But I was diagnosed as level 1, which is high functioning autism. And with that, we can get along quite well in society. People don't really guess that we're autistic. I get all the time, but you don't look autistic? What does autistic look like? You, me. So, give us a second here to figure out, what do you know about autism? There are 3 levels of autism spectrum disorder, ASD, which are described in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders 5th edition, or the DSM-5. A person with ASD is further diagnosed with either ASD level 1, level 2, or level 3, depending on how severe their disorder is and how much support they need in their daily life. It's important to understand that autism is a spectrum. There's not just level 1, level 2, and level 3, but there's all kinds of gradients between them. Someone could be diagnosed with level 1, but have severe symptoms that are closer to a level 2, or someone could be diagnosed as level 3, but their symptoms are mild and closer to level 2. So most of my life I've just kind of stumbled around being weird because I had no idea I was autistic. And I really felt like I was on the wrong planet because I had no idea how to interact or talk with these humans because obviously they're not like me. With that, I developed what I call my program. It's like an operating system in my brain. And through therapy and seminars and reading books and things like that, I learned how to respond. I learned how to control my stimming or my body language in order to get along in society. Now the program has worked really well for me, and I actually kind of developed a sense of humor with it, and I'm kind of funny and make people happy. But the thing is that if something is outside my program, if I don't have a response for it, search the hard drive, no coding there's a couple things that happen. I will do one of few things. One might be that I just take a really long time to respond and, I just have this blank stare. The other thing is I go mute, situational mutism, and I literally can't speak. I have no words. Everybody's kind of been flabbergasted at one time or another, and so you might understand that just in the point of I'm speechless or I have no words. Another thing is I might melt down, and when I melt down I have to leave the party right now, and I have to go home, I have to be quiet, I have to sleep, and I have to recover. That's because I don't think the same as everybody else. So in the next video we're going to take a tour through the brain, the neurotypical brain and the neurodiverse autistic brain.
emissary. This is one of my roommates.